Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn off your Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or the S21 Ultra, and how you can turn it back on again. So there are two ways how you can switch it off. The first method is you swipe down at the top here. So swipe down to open up quick settings, and then you can see at the top here there is a power button that you can tap on it. You can also swipe down the quick settings with two fingers, and that will immediately shows the power off switch or the menu. When you tap on that, it will open up the menu, and then you can tap on power off to turn off your device. Now another method is to press on the side button here. There is a side key that you can press and the volume down. So you need to press on two of these keys. So press and hold like this. So after a second or two, the menu will appear, and then you can tap on the power off to switch off the device. Now you can see down here at the bottom. Now at the bottom there is side key settings. So if you tap on that, you can also set the side keys to power off the menu to show the power off menu when you press and hold onto it. So here, instead of pressing the side key and the volume down key both at the same time, I can now simply just press and hold to the side key, and it will shows the menu key instead of opening up Bixby. And then you can just tap on power off, then tap on power off, and that will turn off your device. Now to turn it back on, you can just press and hold to the side key. So it's still trying to shut down the device, so I'm just going to wait for a second or two, then press and hold onto the side key, and then shortly you should see the Samsung Galaxy logo, and then your device will start to turn on again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.